Hello and hi. I'm gonna get ready really quick. It is Thursday, a little before 8 o'clock, so I'm just gonna get myself together for work. So just gonna bring you guys along with me and kind of show you how I do my makeup today. If you are new here, I hope you decide to stay and subscribe to my channel, and let's get right into it. So we're not gonna do too much. Obviously, work days, a lot of makeup is like not really the vibe for me, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna try to use some of my MAC BB cream. I say try because I'm like almost completely out of this. I'm just trying to get like the last drop. Come on. Come on. Okay, yes. All right, cool. This should be good. I use shade Medium Plus. Definitely time for a new one. I love this BB cream because it's just very lightweight. It's like, you know how some BB creams feel like foundation? This one doesn't. It's like a true BB cream. It feels very like nourishing. When you put it on your skin, you can just tell it's like an actual BB cream. I'm gonna try to avoid that breakout. Just work around it. All right, next we're gonna go in with some cream bronzer. So I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills medium contour cream kit. And I like to take a mix of cinnamon and chocolate and just kind of work those on my brush. More chocolate than cinnamon. Give that chin. We want to create a shadow. So if you guys watch my channel, you know that I've been using makeup in my like everyday makeup drawer, which has been going great. I will say I'm getting kind of bored. So that's why I'm like kind of pulling out stuff that I haven't been using lately, just because I miss playing with all my makeup. Like I have palettes that I bought for Black Friday that I still haven't used. Like my Dose of Colors palettes I have not used yet. So, I mean, I just gotta find like a good balance, you know? For the most part, I do stay within that everyday makeup drawer. But I also want to play with the new stuff. I'm gonna do a little bit of highlight, Shape Tape Light Medium, just like an oldie but goodie. Conceal. So how's everyone doing? It's been a year, you guys. It's been a year of the pandemic, working from home. Literally yesterday was my 1-year anniversary of working from home. And it's so crazy to think that it's been a full year. But I mean, we made it, you know, thank God we're still here. I feel very grateful to have worked for a company during this time that, you know, really took the safety of their employees like as a priority. And I'm just honestly so grateful to have been able to work from home the last year, because it's been such an amazing experience. Like, seriously life-changing, especially right now when the world I think about like a year ago when everything was just so crazy and so scary, how much comfort I had just being home. What's this?
This is a courtesy call from CVS Pharmacy for Alex. We are calling to inform you that your prescription order that starts with the letters V-I-T is available for pickup.
Okay, I got some vitamin D to pick up. I had lab work done on my vitamin. Everything was normal, thank God. My vitamin D was a little bit low, so my doctor prescribed me some supplements. I'm also planning to go outside today to work. Like, I'm gonna find a cafe where I can just sit, get some sun. I would say that is pretty evident that I've been inside a lot. My vitamin D levels are low, so I'm gonna take a supplement and also just try to get outside more. I do want to go find somewhere to work today, so that's like another reason why I'm getting myself together. What were we talking about? Oh, pandemic. So yes, we're approaching our 1 year anniversary. No, it is our 1 year anniversary. Yesterday was our 1 year anniversary. Mac Studio Fix NC20. Yes, and I definitely appreciate being able to work from home when it felt like World War III outside. Everything was scary and crazy. Like, I felt a lot of comfort at home, and I felt a lot of safety at home. So honestly, I'm very, very grateful. I'll take a little Laura Mercier translucent just to set. But it takes me back to those times. Like, we didn't know what the hell was going on. Okay, you know those memes going around like you had to be there? Club quarantine on Fridays. You had to have been there. I'm kind of sad. Like, I really, even though it was scary and stuff, like I had a fun year. Overall, we made the best of it. Speaking of work, I don't clock in until 8:30 every day. Like, my office is based out of Scottsdale, Arizona, so that's Mountain Standard Time. So here in the East Coast, when I moved, I'm like, hey, like, how do you want me to do my schedule? So I start a little bit later in the day, you know, working over here, but it's not bad because then I have my mornings. I can go for a walk, I can take the dogs out, I can put makeup on. Like, I have time to do things before I gotta log into work, which I appreciate. I know some people like to start work at 6 a.m. I'm not. No, thank you. Not for me. I need time to like wake up, you know, mentally prepare for the day ahead. So I'm gonna take this Becca, Khloe and Malika palette. This is their face palette. This is the Khloe one. I love this palette. I definitely prefer this bronzer and then the highlights. I don't really use the blush. It's more like a highlight. Like, I could use it as a highlight, which I typically will mix the three for my highlight, but so super duper sad that Becca is closing. I'm definitely gonna be stocking up. You guys are wondering like what to get from them. This palette, I think I still saw it on their site. It's so good. So this is the Khloe one. They have two shades. This is the Khloe one, and then I'll show you the Malika one, which has like slightly darker tones in here. Equally beautiful. So pretty. I use this one too. Great face palettes. A little on the nose. And then I'm gonna do a little bakage. So So today is one of my longest, oldest best friend's birthday. Desiree, happy birthday if you're watching this. So Desiree is like my longest friend. We met in 5th grade. We met at religious education class. If you're Catholic or Christian, you know what that is. We didn't even go to the same school. Like, we met at church class. We just became best friends. It's like the cutest story of how, like, we seriously grew up together. I love her so much, honestly. Like, we literally grew up together. We met when we were like 9 and 10. Now we're 32. It's crazy. All right, I'm gonna do brows really quick off camera. So I will be right back. The brows are on. I'm gonna pop on some blush. This is Pinch Me by MAC. Can we stay up all night, fuck a jet lag? You bring your finance and overnight bag. You guys, I love Ariana's new album. Or the deluxe album is so good. It's too good. I'm gonna take a little bit of the blush shade in here, even though it's literally highlight, but that's fine. While we're here, let's just throw on some of these. I just mix. So you guys, it's officially almost spring. I love spring. Like, growing up in Arizona, spring was always my favorite time of year because it's like just the most beautiful time. It's warm, but it's not hot. The air is just fresh. The sun is always shining. Springtime in AZ was definitely my favorite. So I'm missing it right now because here in Atlanta, it's still kind of chilly and like we've had some rainy days. But I am embracing, you know, my first winter here. I have thoroughly enjoyed. I have been cold, but it's been nice. You know, it's what I wanted as far as like a climate change, and I'm happy. But I am excited for spring. Curious to see what spring is like here because, you know, with it being a much humid climate, I don't know what to expect. I don't think I've ever visited Atlanta in the spring before. Now summer, I'm in for a sweat. We're gonna take the Huda Beauty. I'm just gonna use some of these mattes in here just to give us a little bit of a little something in the crease. I've been loving this brown liner in my lower lash line. This is from Dose of Colors. The shade is Unbox. It's like a really warm brown. I just think it's nice for daytime looks, especially going into spring. I just like to have like a little bit of a lighter vibe under my eyes. Now I'm going to smoke out the dark brown first and then go in with the warm shades that I put in my crease just to kind of match the the top. So I love this to first set the powders in. This Morphe spray is so nice. This is the powder that, or this is the setting spray that's gonna really like set your face. Like it's gonna make the powders just sit nicely and not look like it's like a bunch of powder. So I love to use that. And then I also go in with Milani Make It Last. This is like a oil control matte charcoal setting spray. This has been amazing for me, but I'm not gonna do that quite yet. So I'm gonna pop on some lashes and then we can come back and do the lip and then we'll be all set. So we popped on some lashes. These are very low quality, like Shop Mercier $1 lashes, but I mean they'll do. I'm just working today, so even on a regular day, like they're fine. The only thing I don't like is I feel like they're really this way short, like they don't go across the whole eye. After 2020, anything goes. Let's do our lip. I'm going to line them. I've got Cher by Gerard Cosmetics, and then I also have Mauve from NYX. Oh, that needs to be sharpened, so never mind. Gerard Cosmetics, Cher. Okay, liquid lipstick, Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Crush. Such a pretty lip. Okay, I've got a lot of, well, I have a few nude liquid lips from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I am into it when I know that I'm gonna be wearing a mask. So if I leave somewhere to go work, obviously I have to wear a mask, you know, there. So I'm gonna use this liquid lip today. This shade is really pretty because it's obviously pink, but it's like a mild pink. Last step is just our Milani Make It Last. I'm actually really sad because I'm almost out of this, so let me see. I'm gonna use some De-Slick Urban Decay. See, I have so many bottles of the Urban Decay All Nighter, but it just still leaves me greasy. So I don't know. Just depending on my skin, I can still use the All Nighter, but I'm gonna do the De-Slick today. They feel a little sticky. Like I don't still totally love how liquid lipstick feels, but I do it for the sake of wearing a lip color when I have to wear a mask. So I'm just gonna pop on some gloss. This is Milani Prismatic Peach. Love this gloss. I use it all the time because it's in my everyday makeup drawer and because it's a great gloss, honestly. But while I'm at home, I'm not gonna go anywhere till later. All right, so we're done with our makeup. This is a finished look. What do you guys think? Super soft, definite spring vibes. I'm here for the soft pinks, nude vibe. Do you know what I mean? I'm into it. Definitely into it. All right, so that is going to wrap up this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. I'm about to log into work. So I will see you guys real soon in a new video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you decide to stay and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye.